In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install CapCut on laptop and PC for free. CapCut is a lightweight, beginner-friendly video editor, and getting it on your computer only takes a few minutes. Before we start, make sure you have a stable internet connection and a little free storage space so the installer can download and unpack without errors. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search box, type CapCut download. You'll see several results. Click the official CapCut website. It should clearly show CapCut in the address and reference the desktop video editor. Avoid third-party mirrors or ads that promise modified versions. Sticking to the official source keeps your device safe and ensures you get the most recent build for Windows or Mac OS. Once you're on the official page, look for the button that says Download for free and click it. The site usually detects your operating system automatically. If it doesn't, choose the correct version for your device. Keep the tab open while the file downloads. Depending on your connection, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. When the download completes, go to your Downloads folder and open the installer file you just saved. On Windows, that's typically a .exe. On Mac, it's a .dmg. If your browser shows the download at the bottom or top of the window, you can also click it there to open directly. Your system may prompt you to confirm that you want to run the installer. Choose yes or allow so it can proceed. If you use antivirus software, it may briefly scan the file. Let it finish before continuing. With the installer open, click Install. The setup will copy the necessary files and create a shortcut. Keep your laptop awake and don't close the lid during this step to prevent interruptions. If you see options for install location or language, you can accept the defaults unless you have a specific preference. The progress bar will let you know how it's going. When installation completes, you're all set. You should see CapCut listed among your applications and a desktop icon for quick access. If the program launches automatically, that just means the install finished successfully. From here, you can import your footage and start editing right away. That's it. Quick, safe, and completely free. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with CapCut on your laptop or PC.